little ducks went out to play, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called with a quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Four little ducks went out one day, through the reeds where the tall grass sways. Mama duck called with a quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks took a swim so wide, past the stream where the frogs all hide. Mama duck called with a quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks found a shady tree, waddled around so wild and free. Mama duck called with a quack,